In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can get your A2P campaign verified in your very first go so that you can start sending SMSs to your leads and your clients as soon as possible. So this is step 4, the last video in this mini series where I show you how to get started on Skool, how to get started on HighLevel, and how to connect both of them together. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, underneath this video, I'm going to be attaching a Google Doc that you can check out that gives you step-by-step instructions as well as the use case descriptions that you just copy and paste and just edit so that you can get your A2P verified. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you live me verifying my A2P campaign. So follow along. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to head on over to my HighLevel sub account and I'm going to start preparing everything so that I can upload it into the campaign. Now, what you're going to do is go on into sites, and once you're in here, you'll see that there's an A2P verification folder. In here, you'll have everything that you need to get your A2P ready to submit as quickly as possible. So the first thing that we need to do is head on over to the privacy policy and the terms and conditions and edit these so that it matches your company name and it has your email and all the other information that you need to add in here. So let's go into the terms and conditions first. And what you're going to do is you're going to first add your logo so that in case someone checks it, they can see that this is for your company. Once you've added your logo, just hit save and go back. And now we need to do the same thing, but for the privacy policy. So go back into the folder, head on over to the privacy policy, and here the only thing that you'll need to change is change the date at which this was written. So at the top, you'll see here, insert date. Then you'll have to add your business name, and at the bottom, you'll have to add your contact email, likely the director's or yours. Then just hit save. Then you're gonna go back, and I would suggest having a notepad open so that what you're gonna do is you're going to copy the domain. Now, if you have not added a domain yet, make sure to watch the video that I posted the other day. It's going to be linked in the description that walks you step by step through how you can add your domain so that you can host your funnels and websites on HighLevel. However, at this point, you should already have your domain connected. And where I've highlighted this over here, you will have your URL link to the privacy policy and of course to the terms and conditions. So go ahead, copy those and add it to the notepad because you're going to need them in just a second. So once you have that copied, you're now going to go up and hover over forms and go into Builder because here you'll see that there's an A2P opt-in form. We're going to open that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to head on over, first of all, to this checkbox over here. You're going to highlight the terms and conditions, press these 3 dots and connect and paste the terms and conditions URL link that you've just copied into your notepad. Then hit confirm. And you're going to go in to the privacy policy down in this box over here. And on the right, you're going to do the same thing. Highlight, link, and you're going to paste the URL to the privacy policy. Once you've done that, what you now need to do is scroll up a little bit and you'll see here that says full legal company name here. So what you're going to do is, as it suggests, you're going to add your full company legal name so that when someone comes to check your A2P verification and they come to check this form where people can opt in, they can see that this form relates to your business and your business alone. So once you've done that, just go ahead and hit save on the top right. And now you're ready to go back into funnels under sites, go into the A2P verification folder and go into the opt-in funnel. Here, what you're going to do is hit edit. And once this loads, what you're going to do is you're going to add your logo at the top, your logo at the bottom, and you don't need to do anything else because this is a form that we've just edited. So now everything is good to go. Just make sure that you hit publish. And then when you go back, you are now going to copy the URL link over here and you are going to save it in your notepad because what you're going to do after is you're going to head on over to settings. You're going to head on over to phone numbers and you're going to buy a phone number if you haven't done so already. What you're going to do is just add number, add phone number, search for what type of phone number you want, and then hit purchase. Once you've done that, you are going to head on over to the Trust Center, and here you can scroll down and start registering now. Now, I'm not going to show you how to do the brand campaign. That's really straightforward. You just need to add the details of your company. Just make sure when it asks you for the website, add the URL link to that opt-in form that you have just created. Once you've done that and you've submitted the brand campaign, you will get to the campaign details. Now, what I recommend you guys to use, no matter what, is a low volume mixed recommended. This will get you approved if you follow this step by step. Now, once you've selected that, for the use case description, head on over to that document that I'm linking in the description below. So what you're going to do once you're in that document is you're going to copy and paste the use case description that's in there, and you're going to paste it in this first box. Then for the sample message number 1, what you need to do is hover over See Example and copy this first Hi John message. And what you're going to do is you're going to paste it in this box, add a last name to this person, add your name, because at the end of the day, this is for you. Add your company name, so HL for School Ltd. Our appointment for July 20th, I would put this to a date in the future so that it seems more realistic. At 11 a.m. is confirmed. Please reach out to. Here, you are going to have to add the phone number that you are verifying for this campaign. So head on over to the settings, phone number, and copy and paste that number and put it here. Then for sample message 2, what you're going to do is, again, you're going to hover over See Example and select Hey Brian and copy that and paste it in this box here. And again, you're going to just complete this to have your name, a client's name, and your company name. Then once you've done that, would you like to reschedule? Here, make sure to add again the website that we've just created for the A2P opt-in. Once you've done that, everything is fine for the sample message 2. These tick boxes here, you can leave them as they are. If your first 2 boxes are not ticked, make sure to tick them. Then you can proceed to the next step. Now, once you're in this page, what you need to do is head on back into the document that I've attached underneath and make sure to copy this message over here. Once you've pasted it, what you're going to do is website with opt-in form. This is the URL for the opt-in page that we've just created. So you're going to paste that here. Then you're going to add your company name over here, the full legal company name. And lastly, you're going to add the phone number that you are verifying in here again. Then go back into the document and copy the opt-in message. Once you've pasted it, what you're going to do last is just change the name of your company and add your full legal company name. And once you've done that, you are now ready to go ahead and submit. And that's it. There's not much to it. So now what you're going to have to do is just wait around 7 days, which is on average how long they take to check this campaign and to verify it. Now, if you follow this step by step, I can pretty confidently guarantee you that this will get verified. Now, keep in mind, your brand verification will take place within the first 15 or 20 minutes. So if that fails, just make sure that you have submitted the proper information. Once you've done that, this campaign will take around 7 days to verify. However, whilst this is in verification, you are now able to send SMSs to your leads and to your clients. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you don't, I'll see you guys on the next video.